What's up guys, so back to my channel. Now today we are back in Animal Race Simulator. So if you watch part 1, we have made to the second world, which is the desert question mark, I'm pretty sure, maybe. And today we are going to be moving on to the snowy biome, and maybe even going to the next biome after. But anyways, and today guys, I really want to get this egg. So today we are going to be getting the egg. I hope it doesn't tell me to reconnect or leave like how last time and maybe reset. Okay. So but anyways, so we have a precious pig, wait, that's the name, right? Oh, no man, this is a pig. Oh no, wait, hold on, let me check here. Yeah, it's called a precious pig. Okay. So, oh look guys, we have over 1 million. That's a what? Oh yeah, look, we have over 1 million. That's a good accomplishment for a video so far. Can we rebirth? Oh yeah, we can rebirth. And again, nice. Yeah, we rebirthed, but that's okay because we're getting 2k per second. That's a goal. We have a free spin now. We have a free award. Yes, 25 wins. Can I buy some eggs? Yes, I can. Let's see what I can buy. Can I get a puffer fish? Can I buy one more? Yes, I can. Puffer fish. Give me the puffer fish. Come on. Can I buy one more? Oh, no, that counts. Not bad. 2 turtles and 1 fish. I will take it. Let me auto train it. Oh wait, I forgot. Since it's daily, wait, I can skip. That's cool. Daily, I can get my new orange bunny. Hope this is good. What is it? Oh my goodness, 40? You guys are seeing that, right? X40. It's crazy. I can get a new clip. I get 9k per second now. Oh yeah, look at my dragon. This is 2 small turtles and a dragon. Woo. Yeah, keep on going, pig. Next victim is the sheep, then the cow, then the llama, then the ostrich. Okay, I think let's now train, I guess. Race now, let's check now how much we can get. Let's see. Race. 3.6 million is our best. Okay. Go! Come on, beat this sleepy sheep. Dude, the sheep is sleepy. How is he beating? How is the sheep still beating me? Come on. Come on. Bruh, please. Look at that. Oh my. Where is the precious pig? I can barely see it. Wow. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, the sleepy sheep first. We'll win first. Bye, precious piggy. Okay. Oh my god, 40. Whoa. Okay, now I can buy the mirage egg. Can I get the kraken or the anglerfish? I'd be happy with the jellyfish. I got the jellyfish! Yo! That's crazy. Let's go. Alright, that's our second best pet. Nice. Pretty good. Look at our strength now. Look at our strength. It's skyrocketing. We have over a million strength now. Sleepy sheep. Now you're not gonna win. Okay. So guys, I'm just gonna train some speed for a while. But no, let's buy some eggs while I'm training. Maybe I can get the 1%. Oh, got puffer fish, nice. Come on. Another puffer. Ooh, oh. Oh, my storage is full. Oops. Let me delete some I don't need doggies. I don't need the fishes. Yeah, I don't need all these things. They're all poopy. Get out. Get out from my inventory. Bro, I still have you. And you. I see you. Boom. There we go. Now we can. Boom. Let's see. Boom. Again. Wait, hold up. I have 3 puffer fish. Now can I craft them to big? Oh my, that's 29. Now that's my best bet. Get out, turtles. Okay, if I get one more turtle, then I can I need 370 more wins. Come on, look at my strength. That's 3 million. Okay, I'm ready to fight. Let's go. 70 million. Oh yeah, I'm definitely beating the sleepy sheep now. Come on. Yeah. Please. Come on, what I did. I passed him. Let's go. Have you seen that? Let's go. I passed him. Get out, sucker. Woo. Oh, look at that precious pig. I'm going to be the new sleepy sheep now. Let's go. Woo. I'll see once I finish this race because I'm sure you guys don't want to see. Boom! Finished. I got the new sleepy sheep. Ha ha ha. Hey! I'm a sleepy sheep now. Woo! Nice. 3 more things waiting. Oh, I got this crazy guy which I'm still going to lead. Also guys, while I was entering this game, I found a code which all I have to type is 2026. All I have to type is 2026. Oh! A flamethrower! Wait. Show me the picture. Oh my goodness! From that 2026 4 number code, I got this pet. Times 272. What does that mean? Speed. We're rich. I'm doing 134 per second. Oh my goodness, yeah. I can buy the fish cake. Let's see what I can get. Oh, I can do it. Nice. Hey, let's go. The pets are awesome. Oh yeah, I have 17 million. Look, I can already pass the constant cow. Let's go do it. We're going down 99.5 million. Wow, a lot of that there. Haha, can't pass me. What do you mean? I can't pass the. What? How can I not pass the? No. Wait, what? Stop it. What? It's saying 40 million. I am 99 million right now. I have 100.6 million. What is happening? Dude, why can't I? Oh, okay. How is the constant cow passing me? We're supposed to lose. See, look at this. Did I just get scammed? Dude! Rahul, get a constant cow. I have 106 million. This guy only needs 40 million. I got 2 billion? What? How is that fair? My speed not good enough? What? Weird. I want some more wins. So let's buy more of this Christmas. Oh, give it a snowman. Snowman. Boom. Maybe I can go. Maybe I can get the Kraken from here. Oh, I got another fish. Can I even equip that? No, I can't. My Arctic day is more better. I'm an Arctic penguin. That's good. Come on, give me a 0.1%. I'll buy one more. I think. One more? One more? Oh no. But one more after this one. Octopus. Last one. Kraken. Okay. Now I should be able to beat this guy. Beat this cow dude. Yeah. Ha. Loser. Bye-bye, constant cow. Yeah, we have beaten the constant cow. Hey. Alright, so far so good. We have beat the constant cow. We have beat 3 animals from this world. Yeah, I'm a new constant cow now. Constant cow. I got 3 spins. Come on, give me some good potions. Potions. Oh! I just got 5 million. Oh my goodness. Second last one. Oh my god, there's no way I got that again. Okay. Last one. Potion. Oh, 1 million. But it is cool. I need 2 million. Oh, okay. What is this? Bubblegum Pegasus. Hey. Whoa. And also guys, in the next 7 minutes I can get this thing. So I'm so ready. Alright. The normal pack will go. Oh yeah, I forgot. We have these things. And what is my octopus? Oh! Success! Jelly? More. So I got a golden. What? Ha. Hey, I can look up 4 pets now. Yeah, I can look up 4 pets. Look at this. Look at my army. Oh, yes. I have over 107 million. Lazy llama. They're going down. Let's go. Can I beat the... I could almost beat the... what is it? Rapid ostrich. Yes. What I get? What? Well, hey! How the lazy llama move? Dude, this game makes no sense. How is the lazy llama more faster than me? Hey llama, come back here. And I'm finished. Bro. And also, I'm also finished. Yeah, I'm still the constant cow. You can't beat me. Now I have 2 million wins. Let's go with this. Give me the 1%. Was that 1%? I forgot. Luminance, the worst one. Nice. But can I cook that? Yes, I can. It's better than my golden orange bunny. Some of you guys still could not beat the crazy llama. They spell llama wrong. Of course not this guy. But okay. Alright guys, I'm just gonna keep on training until I get to a lot of them. Alright guys, I'm back with 160 meal cake. Alright, this time I'm beating Lazy Llama. I'm not lying this time. Let's do it! I'm going! Ah! Come on! Oh, neck. Who's gonna win? What? How did the Laser Llama still beat me? 2 hours of 799. What is this? Is wins matter more too? Now let me check. Wait, let me try again. I have 810 now. Come on. How? This guy. This guy has 1 billion strength power. How is he still beating me? Well, what else will get 200 million? What? I'm so good. Oh my! What the heck is that? Something in a frozen egg? What? Wait, let me buy one of those. Give me the Ice Phoenix. I like that. Ice Phoenix. Nova. Okay, I got a rare one. Thank you. Oh, the Nova looks cool. Look at that Nova. So the common one is the uncommon one. The Nova one. Ooh. Where did you get this, buddy? How much more time is left? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I'm so ready. Oh, if I swear, if I wait. Can I tell you something, guys? Or the pet that will help me is the 0.1% one. If I don't get that, then it won't even do anything. X9, very bad. X15, bruh. If I get lucky and get that X100, that would be insane. Come on. Why? We have 3 more spins. I'm gonna spin these ones. Come on, give me a 0.1%. Close. 1 more. 2 more. Give me that 0.1%. Please. Oh. Alright, fine. I can claim one. Let's see what I get. Midnight. What is that one? That's only 15. Yeah, I deleted that midnight. That's a waste. This is a waste. Alright. I have 1.05 billion. Look at this trend. Oh! I'm first place. What? Why am I a king llama? Why am I a king? What? Why do I? I'm a capybara. How am I a capybara? King capybara is the best. No, I have 5 million wins. Okay, now I need 15 minutes win. 15 million wins. Then I can go. Nice. But I'm beating every single one. Look at that crazy pig. Nobody can beat me now. First place. I am the king of capybaras. One more time. Wow. I'm just gonna fast as I can. Why did I get the ocean, the broskies? That rock. And okay. No auto racing. No auto racing. No. Stop race. No. Stop auto racing. Stop race. 15.5 million. Let's go to the next world. I told you guys we're going to the next world. Oh my god, 6,000 per second? Whoa. With the polar bear, I mean 2 billion wins. Okay. What is the thing? The thing, 21 billion or 2 billion? What? 1 billion. Okay, 1 billion. That's right. I have 4 billion per. Buy none of these ones. Nice. Okay, let's race right now, let's check. Wait, we have to beat me. I have 11 billion. What are you guys think? Oh! I can already beat everyone! How fast! What? I just already beaten everyone. Wow. That is. I can already beat everyone. Even the speedy polar bear. Please, speedy polar bear. Where's even speedy polar bear? I can't see. Capybaras are the best. And boom, already in the next world. Peace world. Whoa, look at this one. Okay, no way I can beat this one, right? Like all together again. Oh, I'm so slow in this one. Yeah, stop this. Yeah, here we need some work to do. I get 11 billion per strength. Holy. Wait a minute. I'm wondering something. If I go back every single world, so go back to the desert, and then teleport back to the farm. How can I beat all of these guys right now? Let's go! Easy win! Okay, let me go back to my world. Alright, I'm back. Alright, let's get to 1 trillion and then let's do it. And let's do it. I got a skin capybara. I don't know how, but okay. Let's do 1 trillion and let's race. 1 trillion and race. Come on, let's beat one person. Is one? Not even one? Oh yeah, I beat the Zappy Zebra. Can I beat the Raging Rhino? Come on. Yes. No. Come on. Keep on clicking. It's a lot more. Okay, I see what I'll boom, time is up. Okay. And now how many wins? Whoa. Okay. Alright, I can buy none of them. Oh my goodness. Wow, King Capybara. Oh wait, this is it. Oh, hello twin. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video because we did a lot. I just got the King Capybara and my strength went up the roof. Alright. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. And yeah, there's still different worlds. So I'll see you in part 3 for getting for part 3 for getting all the other worlds.